Hello everyone. Today we are going to be unboxing the Valve Index. Currently the Valve Index is the best all-around VR headset on the market. Valve designed and developed the Index headset specifically for VR gaming. With the likes of HTC and Facebook-backed Oculus having dominated the VR headset market, Valve had to come out swinging with their first attempt. With many reviewers calling it the latest and greatest in PC-based VR, it is safe to say they have done just that. We were lucky enough to get our hands on one, as it has been sold out globally for the past few months. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for future videos as we get more hands-on with the Index.